Hi, just a very quick review of the latest book with a nice linen spine and this great paper and a lot of fold outs. The back. And a little bell on top. And some fun confetti for the inside. A little bit more. And just a little quick flip through just so folks can kind of see what's in here. This middle part is just plain paper. Paper clips. Lots of pockets. Postcards. And lots of vintage pages. Bird and botanical theme. And these great papers from a bird book. And lots of pockets. Another little booklet. Some typing paper. Little enclosures. More pockets. And here we are at the inside. And these fun little metallic bling, I think. And not sure if I'm going to remember to close this. And that goes on there. I love spinning this around. I also love this. Thanks for watching.